What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about eToro and interactive brokers. eToro and interactive brokers are two leading online brokers with distinct offerings and target markets. While eToro has gained popularity as a social trading platform catering to beginner and casual investors, Interactive Brokers is renowned for its advanced trading capabilities and institutional-grade services. eToro is a global multi-asset investment platform that offers trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. It was founded in 2007 and is headquartered in Cyprus. eToro is known for its social trading features that allows users to copy the trades of successful investors known as popular investors. This unique feature sets eToro apart from traditional brokers and appeals to beginner traders who want to learn from experienced investors. eToro also provides a user-friendly platform with a focus on simplicity and accessibility. Interactive Broker is a well-established global online broker that has been in operation since 1978. It is a publicly listed company known for its resilience and ability to navigate major financial crises. Interactive Brokers offers an advanced and feature-rich investment platform that provides access to over 150 market destinations in 33 countries and across multiple asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, currencies, bonds, and more. Now let's talk about their features. eToro offers a wide range of assets including stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and CFDs. Its social trading features allow users to view the portfolios of trading activity of other investors as well as copy their trade automatically. This copy trader function enables users to learn from experienced traders and potentially generate returns without having to conduct their own research and analysis. eToro also provides educational resources such as webinars, articles, and a demo account to help beginner traders learn the ropes. Interactive Broker is renowned for its powerful and customizable trading platforms such as Trader Workstation and IBKR Mobile. These platforms offer a wide range of advanced features and tools, including advanced order types, backtesting capabilities, and sophisticated charting and analysis tools. However, the steep learning curve associated with these platforms may be a deterrent for novice traders. When it comes to number of users, eToro has over 30 million registered users worldwide, making it a truly global platform. The company has experienced significant growth, particularly in recent years as more people have become interested in investing in assets like cryptocurrencies. eToro's large user base and global reach provide liquidity and a diverse pool of investors to interact with through its social trading features. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, does not disclose its exact number of users. As a global institution-grade broker, it likely has a smaller user base compared to eToro, which is more focused on the retail investor market. However, Interactive Broker's client base is still substantial as it serves a wide range of investors from individual traders to large financial institutions. When it comes to security, eToro is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission in Cyprus, and Australian Securities and Investment Commission in Australia. These regulatory bodies ensures that eToro adheres to strict standards of transparency, client protection, and risk management. Interactive Broker is regulated by several major financial authorities including the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. When it comes to pricing, eToro charges a spread-based fee structure, which means that the platform earns revenue from the difference between the buy and sell prices of assets. eToro's spread vary depending on the asset and market conditions. The platform also charges additional fees for non-trading activities such as withdrawals and inactivity. eToro's fee structure is typically of many brokers in the industry. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, has a more complex but generally lower cost pricing structure. The broker offers a tiered commission plan for US stocks trading starting at $0.0035 per share. Interactive Brokers also pays interest on uninvested cash balances, which can provide an additional source of income for investors. The choice between eToro and Interactive Brokers ultimately comes down to the individual investor's needs and preferences. Beginner traders may find eToro's user-friendly interface and social trading features more appealing, while experienced investors seeking a robust and customizable platform may prefer Interactive Brokers' advanced offerings. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.